Have you ever wondered what an AI model actually is? You hear the term constantly, but what does it mean in practice? In this video, we're going to break down the concept of an AI model, how it's created, and what it can do. But first, if you enjoy content about artificial intelligence, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. So what is an AI model? Simply put, it's a computer program that has been trained to learn from data. Its core purpose is to recognize patterns within the data it was trained on, and use that knowledge to make predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. But how does a computer program learn? It all starts with data and algorithms. The foundation of any AI model is its training data. This is the large, curated data set that the program uses to learn from. The quality and quantity of this data are crucial. Algorithms are the mathematical instructions that guide the model, allowing it to process the training data, identify hidden patterns, and learn the relationships between inputs and outputs. Once trained, AI models can perform specific tasks across numerous domains. Familiar examples include image recognition, where a model identifies objects in pictures, and language translation, allowing real-time communication across languages. AI models are also fundamental to prediction systems, like forecasting sales, and in decision-making systems, such as recommending the next product you might like. The development process doesn't end after initial training. Models are continually refined. To improve performance and accuracy, AI models are often fed more and better data over time. This continuous learning process ensures the model remains relevant and robust. In summary, an AI model is a highly capable tool built on the principles of learning from data. It allows computer programs to recognize patterns, make intelligent predictions, and perform tasks that were once exclusively human territory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI content, and share it with anyone interested in technology.